cancel that. We're done. Gonna run over when I get out here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Daily Driven Exotics vlog. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name's Damon Fryer, and we're gonna go have breakfast here in Beverly Hills with my boy Anthony from MADWHIPS, and I'm late, so let's catch up. Well, we found Anthony's beast. Now we just need to find Anthony. He's somewhere around here, some sort of cafe. What kind of goose chase you put me on, dude? Oh my God, dude. Your instructions.
Using GPS?
No?
Hey?
Dude, put it in, touch your thing and show me where it goes.
Here, let's do it. Let's do it for all your followers.
Yeah. Touch it.
Oh, you know what your problem is?
So.
You're using Apple Maps?
No, I put it into, no, this is, anyhow, I parked right across the street from GI and just paid for parking. I didn't realize Pagani, Beverly Hills is right there.
Yeah.
We're going there after.
Yeah, we'll go see David.
This dude's instructions really suck. No, I'm gonna blame it on that. It's the maps problem. Like, I couldn't even manually put in south.
iPhone, Apple Maps.
Dude, I used Waze too, did the same thing. My breakfast, well, they messed up and they only made one, so I ate mine quickly. But it looked like that and it was delicious. Look at that. Anthony swears this is the best place for eggs Benny. I'll tell you one thing, they get a good latte. All right, you guys, we're out of here. So we're gonna go for a cruise at some point. We're just gonna figure out where exactly. Car's looking good, homie.
Thanks, brother. It's still, can't tell.
You cannot tell. It's almost like it's weathered already.
Yeah. Let's roll.
You guys, right across the street from where I parked is GI Automotive, and I just saw on this flatbed truck their full carbon fiber wide-bodied Corvette pull up. You gotta see this thing, it's insane. Holy wow. Only one on the planet, you'll never see another one like it. Everything has been replaced, full carbon body. And it just came back from the shop apparently where it had a whole bunch of work done, and the carbon on it is just like almost like total perfection now. Look at the lip on those wheels. Look at that carbon, man. Like everything on this car is carbon. That is absolute madness. And how wide it is. Jeez. By the way, look at, got a green GT3 RS. But this thing, holy. Of course you gotta have a big wing on a car like this. Woo. Nuts. Look at that. Oh, exhaust. That diffuser, Jesus. This thing's big. I wasn't expecting that. You guys, look at the front end. Like, look how wide this car is. Look how wide it is. King of Instagram. Look at him do his thing. Like, the girth of that car. That's crazy. Bro, this thing is like legit mental.
Yeah, dude.
Angie, you built a monster. This thing is insane. What? So much work has gone into this car. I mean, just think about the manufacturing process of having to build every one of those panels out of carbon fiber. I mean, it's not even like you can't even mold the car because it's all custom. It's a wide body. Well, that's gonna be a wrap here at GI Automotive. Anthony and I are gonna jump in the cars, the Tire Slayer and the MADWHIPS Porsche 911. We're gonna go rip around Beverly Hills, do a little cruise. We do have a meeting at 1 o'clock that we have to attend. Very important meeting, big things to come for DDE. Excited to share this, but I just can't share it yet. I mean, that's just how it goes. I do actually do other work than just on camera stuff, just so you guys know. Absolutely stunning ZR1. This car was tuned by Hennessy Performance. It's slammed to the ground because it's on bags, and one day hopefully we'll get to be able to get behind the wheel of this thing. They just got it back. Now what I learned was the gentleman who refinished this carbon had to use over 1,000 razor blades to basically strip the old carbon fiber resin off of it because it was starting to separate. He has over 800 hours in refinishing this carbon fiber. That's ridiculous. And he would sit there and basically use razor blades to shave off the carbon resin to get down to the bare carbon and then refinish it. I didn't even know that was possible. Hey, did that blow your mind? I had no idea that you could refinish carbon fiber like that.
Yeah, without having to like just sand it down painstakingly inch by inch.
Yeah, with razor blades, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Jeez. Okay, you ready to go for this cruise?
Yes.
Let's do it, brother. Okay. So we're gonna do a little hot lap into Hollywood. Sounds good, brother.
Test out your new wing. Yeah.
Got an Uber coming, you guys. It is a bit of a mad dash. I lost track of time in a meeting. This happens from time to time, and basically burnt a little over an hour than I should have burnt, which cut our drive down short. We're back at GI Automotive here. I'm gonna have to now leave my car here. I don't have any time to drive to where I intentionally planned to go way up in Orange County and drop it off at VF Engineering again. It's gonna have to get picked up from here from Mr. C's Towing. Huge shout out to Curtis, who always hooks me up. And I'm just gonna make it to the airport in time. All right. Tire Slayer, till next time. I can't believe I completely butchered that timing of my afternoon, but we had a great business meeting. Really excited about what we're gonna bring to you guys, so can't say anything yet, But check this out. One last look at the Black Manta. This ZR1, totally custom. Supercharged engine. And then all this beautiful carbon work. Poof. We'll say goodbye to MADWHIPS' Porsche for now. And the next time we come down, we'll spend more time with this gentleman. All right, Uber Black it is, bro. Hey, I'll see you shortly. Detroit.
Damn. With the whole team, the whole band.
Like
Stratman,
everybody,
Nick.
Jay Stratty, Nick, everyone's coming.
Yeah.
It'll be mayhem. Dave.
Oh, amazing.
Dave will be in the vlog. Okay, I gotta go, I'm super late.
I know.
We'll chat later. How you doing? Good, man. Cheers, thanks. Oh, welcome back to Canada. Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, have a good night.
You too.
Thanks.
Cheers. Oh. I'm tired. Shh. We gotta be quiet. The family's sleeping. You guys, thanks for coming again on yet another adventure. We got plenty more where that came from. In fact, we got a bunch of adventures right here in Canada this coming next couple of days. I'm only home for like not even 24 hours, and then I'm flying somewhere else. But this time, I'm not going to Vegas. I'm not going to LA. I'm going to a special place here, right here in British Columbia. So I'm excited to show you guys this stuff. Stay tuned to the next couple of videos because they're going to be super cool and totally different from anything we've ever done currently. No big city stuff. It includes supercars, some very cool cars, and somebody who has a collection of cars that we've never shown on DD, and they're absolutely mind-boggling. They're all V12 Lamborghinis. So it's 12:30. I gotta schedule tomorrow's video for you guys, and I'm going to bed.